Each interior angle of a regular hexagon is increased by 10%. What is the total sum of new angles? Please understand. In hexagon, how many sides do we have? We have got a collectively 6 sides, isn't it? And since it is the regular figure, so all the internal angles will be the same. By the way, how many exterior angles are we having here collectively, if you look at it? So if this is theta, and then this is theta, and then this is theta, and then theta and theta and theta, so collectively it is going to be how many times? 6 times theta, and that should be taken as nothing but one complete angle. If you look at it, this is 360. Irrespective of, please remember, irrespective of number of sides of a given polygon, n-sided polygon, sum of exterior angles will always be 360, क्योंकि वो हमेशा एक सर्कल बना देगा. So the value of theta is coming out as 60 degree. So if theta is 60 degree, have a look at it. What is going to be the value of this interior angle? It is 120 degree, because this total has to be 180 degree. The value of one interior angle is coming out as 120, right? So what is the total sum? Sum of all the interior angles, sum of all the interior angles will be nothing but 120 into 6, and that comes out as 720. Now problem says it has to be increased by all the angles are increasing by 10%. If all the angles are increasing by 10%, then the total value will also increase by 10%. So this is going to be 720 plus 10% of 720 is 72. If you add them up, the value is coming out as 792. That is what it is. Option number B is the right answer. When you come to the class, we will teach this in details, and this is a very favorite topic of competitive examination.